Welcome to this tutorial on how to follow cryptocurrencies on Coinmarketcap. Coinmarketcap is a leading platform that provides real-time data on cryptocurrency prices, market capitalization, and trading volumes. To get started, first go to the Coinmarketcap website and create an account if you do not already have one. Once you are logged in, you can start exploring the different features of the platform. The homepage displays a list of the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, along with their current price, market capitalization, and 24-hour trading volume. You can click on any cryptocurrency to view more detailed information, such as its price chart, market data, and recent news articles. To follow a specific cryptocurrency, click on the star icon next to its name. This will add it to your watch list, which is a personalized list of cryptocurrencies that you are interested in. You can access your watch list by clicking on the Watchlist tab at the top of the page. In addition to tracking individual cryptocurrencies, Coinmarketcap also provides data on cryptocurrency exchanges, wallets, and other industry-related topics. You can use the search bar at the top of the page to find specific information, or browse through the different categories and topics to stay up to date with the latest market trends and news. You can also set up price alerts and follow Coinmarketcap on social media. Price alerts allow you to receive notifications when a cryptocurrency reaches a certain price or percentage change. This can be useful for investors who want to stay informed about market movements and make timely investment decisions. Best practices for following cryptocurrencies on Coinmarketcap include checking the platform regularly for updates, diversifying your watchlist to include a range of different cryptocurrencies, and doing your own research before making any investment decisions. It is also important to remember that cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. By following these steps and using the features of Coinmarketcap, you can stay informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market and make more informed investment decisions. Remember to always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose.